everybody, welcome back to another episode. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. So as you can see, I'm rocking this auburn colored unit. This hair is brought to you by CurlyMe hair company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside this beautiful box, how I customize this unit, as well as install this unit with no baby hairs. You heard that right. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Bye.
Reesie, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
In this gorgeous box, I received a head wrap, some eyelashes, an informational card, and a wig cap. This unit is a color number 33 water wave texture. She is a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit. It does say pre-plucked, but I don't think it is pre-plucked. Still has a very thick hairline, so room to create your own. And of course, adjustable straps and combs. So I did try to bleach this unit. It is an already pre-colored unit, so the knots did not lift up whatsoever. So if you do consider purchasing this wig, a hack that you could try is using dye remover on the frontal so the knots can lift a little bit brighter. So now it's the next day and I'm going to pluck this unit. I like to get a white towel and apply my wig on top just so I can have a better visual of how the hairline is going to look, and then using my electric hot comb to press out the ends. Even if it's a curly unit, I still do this so I can really see how the hairline is going to look on my skin. This unit was very thick, so I did have to part quite a few times and pluck each time I parted. So this took me about 40 minutes to do. I started on the sides and then I finished it in the middle temple area. I think that's what it's called. So here I'm pressing out the sides. I plucked, and then now I'm going to create a widow's peak to guide how a hairline is supposed to look. It's not like the end all be all, but I feel like this technique of me, like, you know, parting out the temple hairs will help guide where, like, you know, the middle of my forehead is gonna be, you know. So here I am just plucking away. This hairline was so thick, y'all, so have some patience. And that's basically it. That's how I pluck my units. So as you can see, I have my wig cap already applied with my concealer, and then I go in with my concealer on the wig as well. We are not using baby hairs this time, y'all, so you have to really make sure that your wig matches your skin color. So have some great thick concealer stored away to apply to your units. And then for the ear tabs, I cut at a diagonal and match it up, tuck some hair behind the ear, so if my ear is, like, you know, resting and not like bent. So we are going to use our Ebin hairspray as our lace glue today. And you know, my technique is always the same. So while we are watching me apply this wig, I'm going to show you another vibey song. If you're new to this channel, I like to add some vibey music, some artists that, you know, you never heard of, all that, give them a shout out. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking and let you vibe out to the music.
You, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. Let's stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. But without you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong, baby, now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me.
Hope y'all enjoyed that song. I know I did, so I had to put y'all on. So a quick tip here is every time you apply hairspray or any like harsh spray, make sure it's dry before applying your elastic band. And here I'm just cleaning up my part. Again, the knots was not able to bleach, so I have to, use some makeup to cover up some knots, make it look very natural. The lace is not HD, but it was still able to melt perfectly in my skin using that wig dealer hairspray. This is how it looks like. I did not use any mousse or anything in the hair. I just finger combed my hair with some Garnier Fructis and some water. And then here I'm just doing some sideburns. Is that counting as baby hairs? Is that cheating? I hope not, but I think I did pretty good. I love how natural this hair looks. I love a water wave on me. Like it just suits me. And then this color is beautiful. Thank you so much, CurlyMe Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in.